Good day everyone, we are the Group 6 and we are going to present a dilemma analysis and best practices about data privacy breach in legal firms. But before we start, what are the learning objectives of this data analysis and best practices about data privacy breach in legal firms? By the end of this activity, students should be able to analyze real-life or hypothetical workplace dilemmas involving digital technology, evaluate the ethical dimension and potential consequences of each dilemma, formulate actionable guidelines that promote responsible digital behavior, and last, strengthen collaboration and ethical thinking through group work.
Gaining unauthorized access to sensitive information. This could be anything from your credit card details to your social security number. The implications of such breaches are far-reaching as they can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and a myriad of other headaches.
So, our group provides one digital dilemma scenario in data privacy breach in law firms. A mid-sized law firm specializing in corporate litigation experiences a data breach when a hacker exploits a vulnerability in the firm's outdated document management system. The breach exposes sensitive client information, including trade secrets, financial records, and personal identifiable information of individuals involved in ongoing process cases. The firm's IT department discovers the breach several weeks after it occurred, during a routine security audit. Now, what are the ethical issues involved in this digital dilemma? The first is the breach of confidentiality, negligence, lack of transparency, breach of client's trust, and last, the potential harm to individuals. First is a breach of confidentiality. Since law firms hold a vast amount of sensitive data, including protected health information, personally identifiable information, trade secrets, and privileged communications, unauthorized access such as ransomware attacks can expose this data, violating confidentiality obligation of a law firms to their clients. Next, the negligence. It arises when law firms lack appropriate disaster recovery and incident response plans. Failure to conduct prompt, thorough investigations after a breach or to engage forensic experts can worsen harm to their clients. Next, the lack of transparency. This decision to withhold breach information, even in ransomware cases, can backfire if data is later leaked or sold publicly. Next is breach of client trust. These breaches damage the attorney-to-client relationship and may lead to loss of clients and reputational harm to a law firm. Lastly, the potential harm to individuals. Even if no immediate harm is evident, leaked data on the dark web poses ongoing risks to both law firm and client.
Consequences. We have individual, organizations, and society. Individuals focus on the impact of the data breaches on their individuals, include identity theft, financial loss, and damage to their reputation. Organization details the financial losses, reputation damage, and the client loss that organization face after a data breach. Society address how data breaches erode public trust and make individuals hesitate to share information.
Affected stakeholders. Affected stakeholders are individuals, groups, or organizations whose interests, operations, or well-being are impacted, positively or negatively, by a project, decision, or change. They may include internal parties, employees, teams, leaders, and external ones, customers, suppliers, communities, and regulators. Clients. Clients whose information was exposed are the primary stakeholders affected by the breach. The firm itself is also a stakeholder as may face significant financial and reputational damage. Regulatory compliance is the adherence of an organization to laws and legal regulations that are relevant to its business. In the context of information and communication technology, this means that technology products, services, and processes must meet specific standards set forth by regulatory bodies. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines, litigation, and reputational damage. The public is also a stakeholder, as data breaches and legal firms can erode public trust in the legal system and the ability of organizations to protect sensitive information.
So what are the best practices to avoid this digital dilemma happens in the future? First is to implement strong security measures. The law firm should implement strong security measures such as encryption, access controls, and intrusion detection systems to protect client data. Next, regularly update software and systems. The law firm should regularly update their software and systems to ensure that they are protected against the latest security vulnerables. Next, the law firm should train their employees on data privacy and security. Their clients don't know their actions are not secured. Yet, the law firms are the ones bearing the risk for a client's exposing details like banking information to scam artists. To prevent this risk from blowing up into trust actions errors and payment to prevent this from blowing up into trust account errors and payment disputes, lawyers need to train their clients also, from their initial conservation, on what methods of communication are most secure and how to use them. Next is develop a data breach response plan. The law firm should develop a data breach response plan that outlines the steps to be taken in the event of a breach, including notifying clients and regulators, investigating the breach, and mitigating the damage. And the final thoughts on protecting the law firm's data is that, remember, the data security is an ongoing process that requires vigilance and continuous improvement from everyone at your law firm. By implementing these best practices and regularly reviewing your security measures, you can significantly enhance your law firm's ability to protect sensitive data.